First question, who is the governor of Kerala at the time of 1975 emergency declared? Option A, V. Vishwanath. Option B, N.N. Vanchu. Option C, Sikandar Bhakt. Option D, M.O.H. Farooq. Answer is option B, N.N. Vanchu. Second question, in the Lok Sabha, a leader of the opposition was recognized for the first time in option A 1969, option B 1971, option C 1973, option D 1975. Answer is option A 1969. Third question, Article 40 of the Constitution relates to option A fundamental rights, option B fundamental duties, option C citizenship, option D organizing village panchayat. Answer is option D organizing village panchayat. 4. The term untouchables was used to refer to the depressed caste by option A Mahatma Gandhi, option B Raja Ram Mohan Roy, option C Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option D William Bentinck. Answer is option C Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 5. The reasonable restriction is included in the article option A 19(1), option B 19, option C 19(1)(a), option D 19(2). Answer is option D 19(2). 6. The right to property is a dash right. Option A fundamental, option B constitutional, option C political, option D legal. Answer is D legal. 7. Fundamental duties are incorporated to the Constitution under the recommendation of option A Sapru Committee report, option B Nehru Committee report, option C Swaran Singh Committee report, option D Shah Commission report. Answer is C Swaran Singh Committee report. 8. The Article 25 to 28 of Indian Constitution deals with option A right to equality, option B right to freedom, option C right to constitutional remedies, option D right to freedom of religion. Answer is option D right to freedom of religion. 9. 86th Amendment of the Indian Constitution provides for option A alternative schemes for sharing taxes between the Union and the states, option B special provisions for the state of Assam, option C insertion of a new article 21A, option D special provision for SC/ST in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Answer is option C insertion of a new article 21A. 10. Who commented in the Constitutional Assembly that the directive principles of state policy is like a cheque payable at the convenience of bank? Option A Ambedkar, option B K.T. Shah, option C A.M. Khusru, option D Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Answer is option B K.T. Shah. 11. Fundamental duties were incorporated by the following amendment: option A 24, option B 34, option C 42, option D 43. Answer is option C 42. 12. Which article of the Constitution empowers the High Courts to issue writs? Option A Article 32, option B Article 28, option C Article 226, option D Article 221. Answer is option C Article 226. 13. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with directive principles of state policy? Option A Part 2, option B Part 3, option C Part 4, option D 4A. Answer is option C Part 4. 14. Universal adult franchise creates option A economic equality, option B social equality, option C political equality, option D cultural equality. Answer is option C political equality. 15. Who is the guardian of fundamental rights in India? Option A judiciary, option B legislature, option C executive, option D political parties. Answer is option A, judiciary. 16. The proclamation of emergency brings automatic suspension of the right to option A, freedom of speech, option B, constitutional remedies, option C, freedom of religion, option D, all of this. Answer is option A, freedom of speech. 17. The article in the Indian Constitution which prohibits intoxicating drinks and drugs. Option A, Article 45, option B, Article 47, option C, Article 48, option D, Article 50. Answer is option B, Article 47. 18. Which article in the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? Option A, Article 14, option B, Article 21, option C, Article 17, option D, Article 25. Answer is option C, Article 17. 19. Part 4 of the Constitution of India deals with option A, civil rights, option B, political rights, option C, economic, social and cultural rights, option D, all of the above. Answer is option C, economic, social and cultural rights. 20. In India, equal pay for equal work is a option A, fundamental right, option B, directive principles of state policy, option C, fundamental duty, option D, civil right. Answer is option B, directive principles of state policy. 21. Indian Constitution adopted the provision for fundamental rights from the Constitution. Option A, Britain, option B, France, option C, US, option D, Germany. Answer is option C, US. 22. Dash article provides for free and compulsory education to children below age of 14 years. Option A, Article 40, option B, Article 42, option C, Article 45, option D, Article 24. Answer is option C, Article 45. 23. The true democracy is what promotes the welfare of the society. Who said this? Option A, Sardar Patel, option B, Mahatma Gandhi, option C, Dada Bhai Nauroji, option D, Gokhale. Answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. 24. Ombudsman concept was adopted from option A, France, option B, Sweden, option C, US, option D, Denmark. Answer is option B, Sweden. 25. Which is the first state to establish Lokayukta? Option A, Odisha, option B, Maharashtra, option C, Gujarat, option D, Karnataka. Answer is option B, Maharashtra. 26. National Commission for Women was set up by the Act of which year? Option A, 1990, option B, 1992, option C, 1993, option D, 1996. Answer is option A, 1990. 27. Right to Information Act came into force. Option A, 15th June 2005, option B, 12th June 2005, option C, 12th October 2005, option D, 12th August 2005. Answer is 12th October 2005. 28. What is the tenure of the National Human Rights Commission Chairman? Option A, 5 years or until the age of 70 years. Option B, 3 years or until the age of 65 years. Option C, 5 years or until the age of 65. Option D, none. Answer is option A, 5 years or until the age of 70 years. 29. The number of languages at present in 8th schedule. Option A 15, option B 21, option C 22, option D 24. Answer is option C 22. 30. First Finance Commission of India. Option A V Narahari Rao, option B K.C. Niyogi, option C Sandhanam, option D N.K. Singh. Answer is option B K.C. Niyogi. 31. What is the official name of India? Option A Democratic State of India, option B Republic of India, option C Socialist State of India, option D Socialist Secular India. Answer is option B Republic of India. 32. Which among the following is not a way for acquisition of citizenship in India? Option A renunciation, option B descent, option C registration, option D incorporation of territory. Answer is option A renunciation. 33. Which part of the Constitution of India has been described as the soul of Indian Constitution? Option A fundamental rights, option B the directive principle of state policy, option C preamble, option D none of the above. Answer is option C preamble. 34. The theory of basic structure of the Constitution was propounded by the Supreme Court in option A Minerva Mill case, option B S.R. Bommai case, option C Golkanath case, option D Keshavananda Bharati case. Answer is option D Keshavananda Bharati case. 35. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with directive principles of state policy? Option A Part 2, option B Part 3, option C Part 4, option D Part 4A. Answer is option C Part 4. 36. Right to education comes under article option A 44, option B 46, option C 21, option D 21A. Answer is option D 21A. 37. Which officer in the public authority provides information under Right to Information Act? Option A Chief Public Information Officer, option B Public Information Officer, option C Appellate Authority, option D Information Commissioner. Answer is option B Public Information Officer. 38. The court under which literally means to have the body is option A mandamus, option B certiorari, option C quo warranto, option D habeas corpus. Answer is option D habeas corpus. 39. Who was the Indian president declared the national emergency in 1975? Option A V.V. Giri, option B Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, option C B.D. Jetty, option D Gopal Swarup Pathak. Answer is option B Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. 40. Who participate in the election of the Vice President of India? Option A members of the Lok Sabha, option B elected members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, option C members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, option D legislative assemblies. Answer is option C members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. 41. Which article provides the President of India to grant pardon? Option A Article 68, option B Article 69, option C Article 71, option D Article 72. Answer is option D Article 72. 42. Article 263 provides for option A financial emergency, Option B, Interstate Council. Option C, National Economic Council. Option D, All India Service. Answer is option B, Interstate Council. 43. Dash enables the Supreme Court to protect the Constitution. Option A, rule of law. Option B, judicial review. Option C, jurisdiction. Option D, judicial activist. Answer is option B, judicial review. 44. The last session of the existing Lok Sabha after a new Lok Sabha has been elected is known as option A, joint sitting. Option B, guillotine. Option C, lame duck. Option D, sine die. Answer is option C, lame duck. 45. Article lays down that there shall be a public service commission for the Union and a public service commission for each states. Option A, Article 280. Option B, Article 315. Option C, Article 324. Option D, Article 356. Answer is option B, Article 315. 46. National Commission of Scheduled Caste is a option A, advisory body. Option B, statutory body. Option C, administrative body. Option D, constitutional body. Answer is option D, constitutional body. 47. Kerala Vanitha Commission Bill was passed in option A, 1991. Option B, 1995. Option C, 1996. Option D, 1992. Answer is option B, 1995. 48. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights was set up in option A, 2008 March. Option B, 2007 March. Option C, 2005 April. Option D, 2010 April. Answer is option B, 2007 March. 49. How many schedules are there in the Right to Information Act 2005? Option A, 2 schedules. Option B, 4 schedules. Option C, 5 schedules. Option D, 3 schedules. Answer is option A, 2 schedules. 50. The SC/ST people are specified in articles of the Indian Constitution. Option A, 26 and 27. Option B, 341 and 342. Option C, 172 and 227. Option D, 86 and 87. Answer is option B, 341 and 342. Thank you.